Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe to create a logo. First, choose between Adobe Illustrator for infinitely scalable vector graphics or Photoshop for more raster-based, pixel-perfect designs. Open a new document, typically setting dimensions like 1000 by 1000 pixels, and ensure your color mode is set to RGB for digital use or CMYK for print. This foundational step is critical for a high-quality outcome. Now, let's delve into the core design elements that will bring your logo to life. Begin by using basic geometric shapes and the versatile pen tool in Illustrator to craft the foundational elements of your design. Thoughtfully select typefaces that genuinely reflect your brand's character and message, as font choice significantly impacts perception. Establish a harmonious color palette, perhaps using 3 to 5 distinct colors, ensuring visual appeal and excellent contrast across all applications. With your initial design taking shape, it is time for meticulous refinement and iteration. Focus on achieving perfect alignment and balanced spacing between all your logo's components, leveraging smart guides and grid systems for precision. Experiment with negative space to add depth and an intriguing visual element, often creating a clever secondary meaning within your design. Share your work with a few trusted individuals for constructive feedback, making small but impactful adjustments to perfect the final outcome. Finally, let's prepare your beautifully crafted logo for real-world application by exporting it correctly. Always save your primary logo as a scalable vector graphic, like an SVG or an EPS file, which ensures pristine quality at any size. Additionally, export raster versions, such as PNG for web use with transparency, and JPEG for general sharing without transparency. Organize all these different file types into a clearly labeled folder, ensuring your new logo is ready for every platform imaginable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.